Mwanchumulilia Undizi TV mukwalini bene ase entunda yende entunda ya gatatu ime yumuruberio wensakia anstokuba tugusanga n'abageni baito asikira lituko tubwate ekerenga tokoba tugusanga kolende lituko lie etichi gatatu bose Jumatano nigo tokoba tugusanga igoro yechisemi ase emambi yabono twabeire toko umerana nere omworokia omonene weskuru yoboroso ya Skyline azvega utumanya amange igoro yechisemi anene mono igoro yeskuru yabo nabakona tubwate wetera asumtandao o Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asense media ya YouTube Ndizi TV News umtandaito www.ndizitv.net wanaboigo wetera ase chinchera chiria chekerero au nabugusanga na intwe ase emambi yabono emambi ito nabugusanga boigo wetera sena meteza 0792928834 wakire buya madam
wakire biyambia mwana
karibu sana ime ya Ndizi TV.
Asante sana.
Ase faida yo murelia Ndizi TV nabo gutomanyia amalie tago nabo igo ekerogo bwate ase skuru elia ya Skyline tutarachaka bene umurubiri mabyabona
biyabono asa amalie tankoro ko Margaret Mukeira Mugeni nchomo head teacher Skyline Friends School Kisi. Yes.
Nabo tumanyinga eskuru yino ngayi ego toka ime yorogongo ruagusina endenga mubwata chinsagia chinde chinsemo
The eskuru yaite ego toka Kisi County Kitutu Central Constituency ase moya getari ogoso amno monto okogenda on your way to Nyamira then o branch also asa Koroku Getare then few meters from there no otori yeah.
Okay, buya kigimoma tenga kera omonto kera eskuru kiombe kiende gyonsi bose onde kwenso beteka ochaka kende nabwate chinga kyabete ko tochaka tomanyango eskuru ino mwaka kyo yabete ko chaka nendenga aboro kiwambalenga mwabete mu ochaka naborobu ebirasi mbirenga mwachaka tena bero naboigo mwabere mu wekera tomanyango ase obwagalenga kiskuru ni abete ko chaka nendenga kyabere okina ase myake yonsi.
Asante sana Muralia. Eskuru yaito ya chagete 2019. Kera director ya chagete eskuru yu I was one of the teachers. Na ande naona alenge. Mwalimu bono kera twachaka tukachaka n'abana ba class playgroup to grade 4. Tukachaka umwaka wa 2019 na twabwata abana 200. 200 boka twabwate. Twabwata abalimu 8. Abakolie gasi bachikoni babere negari ya moya transport ekina kitu abwate kero toko chake school
ego mwa chakirete class irenga nenga kimwabere mukina wikira bono emyaka mwakubayire mo kor KCP wikira bono
yes twachakite nabana over grade 4 bali bachete standard 4 then tukabera na barabu all that long mpaka bakakora KCP in the year 2023 they did their KCP after that bakamanya kugenda chi secondary bono but unfortunately agatokanga that KCP was the last but abachivu twanyorete we were happy about it and abana bachite chi school lakini bono wikira abuto katikana na grade 6 coming down
all right ere buya kigima mweto bitokoranga amonchiruri amange abeire gako enekigwa ase chisemi wikira bono mwabere mu gutwara junior school osemero berike mu bwate anemono asaba ibuli bari barengera tinga koleta abana babo osen junior school ino
junior school ntura nyetwara gesito akoreti grade 6 the first lot ntoje tikonye twara but this year omwalimu na director nabete in a position yokonyorase just near the school esa abana bana barachi kokorera the JSS and then abana barachi batuari peer boarding section omaite bona baibuli asiba ikere bakoranga it's better mwana ga ikire JSS also a boarding school bono we have acquired that place na ndena bongo confirm asaba ntonga as per now the building is under constructions by the year 2025 January abana baito bagre grade 6 etutaite ba transit smoothly paka grade 7 yeya itobone gochigo chaka 2025.
Aha, omubaro bw'abana seskure ino ngakioli naende mubwatamaga cho aisaine akobaga konyara akobeka abana babonsi.
Ababa primary from playgroup ntobwate by the way abana ntobwate Skyline, and I want to thank parents those who have been with us and wano maitakira okorigi ntekia baka no enayo nyora machibu aho. So whatever we have been offering, other parents wameona and they have come for us. So goikira bono iga etobwata abana I can say 560 bari school ya itobono iga amaga chontobwate ebirasi ntobwate tobaisaine. So the next part ne ya JSS or transit and boarding school. Yes.
All right, school inu nga yikire mono yo matendo ba school konyoranga babwate stream yemo ibere chi stream isato manya tumanyango igoro school yao
Skyline bono iga to the moment mnatogo kuona nayo iga in playgroup class we have 2 streams. PP1 the same 2 streams. PP2 the same 2 streams. Grade 1 we are so lucky there are 3 streams. Then grade 4, grade 3 2. Then grade 2 also 2 streams. Grade 4 1, 5 1 and 6 1 stream. Yes.
Tinga kito kuonera umubaro bwa boro kigwa ebirasi bugengana tukoni kumanyanga aboro kigwa bako bago chase school ino aboro kya bako basomi usaba ali mu mbaisa ine tumanyango umubaro bwa bali mu bwate naende asokora kwao aboro kya mu bwate mbaisa ine asokosomia abantu matendo bwata machika atenete chiseme konyaranga umwana ayo mo bwente basomi umwibuli umwalimu yomo abwenete kosomia umubaro gete bwa abana tumanyango aboro kya mbali ngamubwate naenda asokora kwao mbaisa ine kosomia abana abonsi
aboro kigwa bari Skyline at the moment abari 21. That's why when babete congested in a class is when we decided kubabaga into streams so that mwalimu anaweza fikia mwanafunzi. So wakati tuliwagawa na kia bete kabera bona balimi easy and we acquired more teachers. That's why we have streams and the teachers that can handle the learners in class.
Ere obuya kigima engana bo igonaga ni komanyanga mazinga chi school chinyingi cha pere chiko mochiwa asokuligia aborokia koranyolenga batarikiranga ekerengo tumanyango igoro ye quality chisemi mo wasome nabo igo aborokia mu bwate mbaso mete babikirania ebirengo biribuenete kubwataka neli chiko nabo igo kubwatikana nuko gania wa serikali. Abana baito bari school Skyline. Abana baito togote ya balimu anybody to go employ. The first thing agote in the office is quality delivery ni lazima. So igo mwalimu bono go ikaire ngerari because ngocha tori twatwari tukekoro kunga assessment. Tokorangeri assessment from outside and the government part of it. Bacha ba assess ya balimu baite class. Umo assess maito montori bwe serikali tabuati kende na Skyline. Ereno montochire kwa assess kusaba bana nkonyora bale whatever that is required by the government. So I think abalimu they are doing everything they can since abana bali the assessors they are even aware the assessors will be there to assist them in class. So the quality delivery wako abana I think it is the best. Okay, ere buya kigima ase school ntubwate engana erengete anena mono kwene kinga umwana ngosomale ekyabwendrete gosoma tumanyango asense yamego kabe syllabus ngaki school ye no mwere obete kwene kinga umwana kurwa class iwate nga playgroup ikero kole school iyo boroso obere akonyora na bwo gosomwa onse abwendrete gosoma gwetera ase syllabus.
Bono kero twikira nsemo ya masoma sabalimu etogoteba in playgroup omete chiskuru nchiro chitabwati playgroup. Playgroup ne kirasi kiri abana bako enda bayigeri gukubwate karamu gukala kumanya gwansa kolika but keri assess syllabus ya serikali so ntuto ko ba train by the time bago ikapipi wani sama soma gote bago sakira ya serikali bamanyire kubwate karamu bamanyire whatever they are writing bamaite ningi togo suka PP2 now inoera abana bamaite they are supposed to read totebe 3-letter words, sentences, short sentences. That is what they do. But when we transit them to grade 1, now the teachers very grade 1, they start now training our independence. You know, we tend to love them more because they need to be loved by very school. Ono kera toko batoma grade 1 toko ba transit, that's when to get also female teachers who can make sure they have loved them at the same time baba saw me independence. So by the time abana abakonya gusuka with the same teachers abalimu abachiko batigara tutebe grade 3, by the time omwana yago ika grade 3 kago ika grade 4, now that is a full independent person okora everything on their own. Yes. Sasa they are syllabus yaito igego chaka strictly koru PP1 mune serikali irwite from PP1 umwana umanya eskia bwana leta ukora PP1 igekoera then we transit to PP2. Then after PP2 grade 1 the teachers are supposed to finish their syllabus by the end of this term now to second term, so that third term is revision. Asavana one-on-one. Then we also help the ones that maybe valenge nyumake. It's when we help them in third term, we lift them up. We're on the same pace when going to the next class. Yes.
Ere buya kigima ase ekerukulinga ase umtala ukabiri kurwaroro ntwabwate 844 bono kwenda turi kuru CBC uchi CBC makunke ya mwabete mugwetera ase 844 oruchinga mwabiri mokonyora chileso nchirachi kuba konye kero moji gusoa bono twabete waso muswa mutalo yumu ya OCBC
chileson some I think kero twaende meeting they were compressed but they were not removed. In the CBC chileson sicha reduced. In 844 Nchialengo and they were wide. But bono kerachia CBC they were compressed and they are within the means of Yomwana. But the CBC is all about the learner. Not the teacher, not the parent. Bono a learner has to get everything. Abwenerete konyora so that umwano you abe compliant with something because bono matemta yago chikokora abe ranked. So igago ikanyore 1 2 3 ego chikomo konya sama tukali bosi.
Ndochenga CBC tali junior secondary yokere onechi school echoboro so chianke chiama igala primary school CBC nero tumani yango kibune school muhabere moko enekinga aboro kibaino mbare equipped asogosomia abana aba asechisemi chingeni cha CBC
abalimu baito aboro kibona aba bakoroki abana chi training inchiro chikoba every now and then. You know bono CBC ere go ikumwalimu ande training na raidane adelive what he or she has been taught. Bono chi seminar chibako and every now and then and sometimes ngwa kira director mbiya mono he also brought somebody to school kere school wesi kire akateba bono tinkonya ra go transport bonse but someone abago che school ato train. Bono erusa kero yabete mutiyenyokane na barangireti umonte school ababa ali mutu alenge school wikengima tukateke go through another CBC so abalimu na abarokigwa nabo bakonya koirwa chi training echichiro chitaraira the director nabago toira twagenda the CBC training so that abalimu babe equipped and what is happening on the ground.
Okay, iyo ere buyaki mu mwancho murere ndize TV nikoto ndete gusanga no morokia omonene weskuru elia ya Skyline oyo bwenda tumanya amange goro yeskuru yabo anamono unabanda takwirobe ya sechisemi enchira abagendrete kone kinga nkwa bale abana chisemi kole kubwate kana nekerengo kebekire ne serikali enene anemono ewizara elia yechisemi onye kubwate ibole rinde naboko bagusanga na intwe ase mambia itugwetera somtanda ito Facebook and Ndizi TV News Digital asense media yomtandao o YouTube Ndizi TV News na wetera ase ense media YouTube Ndizi TV News nomtanda ito www.ndizitv.net lotenga se korwa ase school recent country na following clouds keza watching live eriko the best korwa Isani Secondary whatever following Unila Moja following Anthony Ragori, Omoibori Anthony Ragori na Jane Nyabate from Kenyatta University na Victor Omondo, Dennis Kirandi, Amos Kamori, Edina Oboiko Anyakundi Ogero, Ria Antenyi Baraza Ritunda Green Omwana zilizopendwa Tambo Enoch Nyambane, Joshua Ombuya Omoikoyo Junior na Arin Mokokoti Onyangaresi Emambia ya Nyamesocho wekawanilia Emambia Engea na wiko Victor Omondo Miyenda from Aotebanga Kuru Nairobi West Inko moja wika Alioteri ya Buga Mwobondo na Mwanjange Village wategerabi ya kabisa hadi tamati na Paula Ombaki katia bange wanda tukuatia Muroberio Abwenza kia ime Emambia ija abono kwa vile kuanera anene mono igoro yechisemi echi cha CBC kwa batabanga nigo chiganeti omuibori nigo chiganeti omworokia nabo igo chikoba chikone kinga chabere chiko ko reta banta babonsi amo anemono aso kone kinga ngokine toro mwana yasengenjo ensemonero muibori akora omworokia nabo igo omuibori tomanyango essence ino njira kiye mwabere mogotema komanya abaibori mata abaibori mbali banalete system enkoro mbara manye system enya njira nere mwabekire mirobiro smocha mwaba mokone kinga abaibori boigonko manya barenga kero mwana achire na ateta assignment akonyu talinga niga komuchanda no muroberio oreboigo njira kimwabero temo komanyi abaibori na baro
abaibori baito ba Skyline kwa sanko baira nelimbi ya mono they have been trying so hard kumanyanga what is happening in school bono mono etogote yaba abahalimu baito totebe assignment barwa banyetome totebe WhatsApp group saba ibori bari maite bona gas Kenya yekeire smartphone taringa negento kuria negenta abantu babugate bono kero moibori abugate smartphone and CBC ego entertain smartphone wiketo kenyumba so that ribagote go make a small video ndorigo chikori camera echichonsi ipe bamekie video camera gotumeka na yesimu bona abarimu bagotuma WhatsApp ba communicate na abaibori bateba rero mwaki nigaire na iga abaibori barigereri ondo bwate ichibu ngese mpaka abori umwalimu amutenga goikiranje tinaerewa ono this communication between a parent and a teacher it is really helping us because abarimu na babwenerete they make follow ups so bagote yo mwana na ndebate yo moibori at the same time prior to aike nyumba ono kera ikire nyumba parents inkora correspond bale because all the WhatsApp group chire school I'm inclusive ono kera nkora what is happening na parent ba comment I feel happy because nkora bale what's happening and by the time abana bago ikanyumba they could have done 1-2 for them to prepare for the maybe assignment by which is good so number 1 to go to me a WhatsApp group phone call sesi mi skuru ntobwate moyo mwalimu batanga tabwati ya time tikatumeke simi skuru call the parent nanda bago ikarenga oikira bona abaibori babiri batatu mbara aligereri what's happening on WhatsApp maite na bekonyarekana wano nero goteke jukumu eyu akori omoibori amutei lero ntobwata assignment ya ABCD tafadhali konyo mwana goikirago
Nuruchinga umtalo yo omogeni nubwate no nyane grading system ereto bauti kigima hendo chinga amatuka ya kakonyoranga omwana kabeire kago tangana ni gare kwegwa maxi obaga ko barank dikolendere omurubiri obiri ga goncholia na ngusanga na linge no moroke ya mate banga asenaro konyoranga omonta kuri kirunga 1 ose konyoranga 2 ose kolende konyoranga oli obwate namba enke nero tarakora bya kolende obwate namba ene nero kolire bya tamanyenga no nyari gotoerera aso obuenge igoro ya grading system ya CBC ya samatu kabono
grading system ya CBC bugate level 4 level 3 level 2 na level 1 those are the grading nandi na be 8 garete ko ba igonde tayore 5 6 it's just level 4 going downwards bono yore 4 means exceeding expectation yani egenta iguga akekora pakoge koro yetan
iko number 4 tali yarosegete
ya number 4 ya tali yarosegete na rotangaine oyo grade 3 tatebe nage kora lakini take correct into perfection grade 2 tatebe ga orokereri kuno mwalimu onyara sinini lakini kirate kubweka taigweti konyara oyo renge oyo nyora 1 bono no ri utanyara pi tanyara maybe through even the guidance of the teacher tachieti still ailewe tutebe understand igobo nero konyora level 1 bono level 2 kids and level 3 kids and level 4 level 2 kids and level 3 bono bakoroka 4 is exceeding 3 is meeting 4 is up 2 is approaching 1 is below expectation bono kero muiburi akorra torikirito mwana level 4 kirakorra ndigete level 4 ase ekwende oina babwendete kumanya mwana etari era umuriye kariye gagwa yaye
abana baye bana liringa abana bane bagutangana denga nyumba ya nega igatinkorona mwana gwate
4 bono ta kumanya nga 4 it is the best compared to nande when it comes to grading umwana naro okonyora after guidance yo mwalimu onyora 4/4 lakini takoli keru that exceeding expectation because tanya collective work it serve the guidance wanonyora na mwalimu mamu mwabaro chenga na bali keire 4/4 lakini oli keru ME meaning after umwalimu komoereza na meet expectation lakini yateba 4/4 but so parents now when they understanding 4/4 doesn't mean not everybody that got 4/4 did exceeding expectation so after me guiding the learner kwa class it means that nilipomguide alipata maybe if I could have left angepata that meeting expectation yeah and the CBC is all about guiding aba ibori bakora tebanga abalimu bagote yabana machiro ndundori ko bateye machiro etoko guide abana CBC na bego tebaigo mwana tariko ego muna rito akairu nkorete KCP eto sakara musigari agatenena agakora iga bono CBC doesn't entitle like that you just go around the class umwana bago kobori riswa lakini turiko mutebiri ka 2+2 como tebi urachora magina abire oyo enta yanda abire now count that is guiding not giving answers
igama temu alero CBC neba nali yamanene igo mwana tariko egurisa kara oikaransele mwalimu nabakumorokera
omwalimu nabako guide tali yako morokera guiding guide akuna atia como te akomora tatebe sekegusi akomora
all right aha ayuna moncholi amangi aberega kolekana asumurubirio olia OCBC askolende umatenga chinga kiechi toko batokurwa asumurubirio 844 ebinte byalenge byoro asokumanyanga omwana yegaeta taiteti na ndi kwa konyoranga chiskure chalenge ni competition kwene kinga abana ngokora bari bya kini kolende tutakoranga egachiskuru cyabere chikolegeza kamba ke akatebanga tutabwati competition yende ngaitochi komake ndamanyanga eskuru yenino nchira kiemwa bere kwene kinga nonyanga competition yeteyo abana still ngonyora bari ekibo mwendete konyora nabo ngokora bari bya nabo konyora bari chisembi unebwendete kubwatekana na machikali serikali usiri chiko bosiko ne wizara chisembi
bono kolengana neri chikolia CBC na intumu na eskuru ntorigo chikoteba ngabono CBC togo ikaransa tokire abana mbanyora anything we have to make sure number 1 a syllabus ya very covered that is the most important thing because minus ko cover syllabus these things mbirigo chikova achieved because kerato kolika a lesson plan ya nengo tebanga by the end of the lesson the learner must be able to you see bono ntari getiko because that is what is entitled to me keronko like lesson plan ya ne kuruku ya daily lesson because pakanya mekineski eskimu gego teba by the end of the week na lesson yata by the end of the day so bono ge konyarkananga by the end of the day bana bara achieve what they are supposed to achieve then ikobono tinda ikira ninga ngochinde kubwati what other schools are doing I want to make sure whatever I'm giving these kids it is quality bono nalio mwana mo ibu bono ntori go compete na school but to make sure kiregento kego teba seri chikori serikali na butoke bwate tiboigo so bono totigare at par egekogera bono competition te
okay ntamanyinga antatoru bosemi utia saba ibuli anmono aze ubya bosenchera kiye bara bakone kinga abana babo babeire bako bosaba ibuli ngubwati bali bono chisemi kya abana babo bunebwendrache mate mwibuli naro tebanga lero babuli kale bakaganyire quality report card kumanyanga wakorire byo stora akora bya bono nchira kiye mwibuli arabaka kone kinga obira go track performance y'umwana oye kagendrete kobera ali school
After the report card, the government introduced the assessment books. One of these assessment books is all entitled a curriculum. To tell a curriculum that is now the curriculum when you say car. To tell grade 1, umwana go ikane all pictures. One of your curriculum design na very can name all pictures. One ayariko level 4, level 3, level 2, level 1. Umwalimu etole entitled kubeketiki. Bona tutebe nonye Margaret inje. Tinya arete gusoma chibicha cyose. Umwalimu ngesabona ko ndas level 2, gose level 3 anti keri ororo tagutiki as 4. Bona through this abayibo no babwanirete kurigirira the assessment book. But barabu wikira bono, I'm sorry to say they don't. Barabu baroche kitabu keri bagusabwe kenene ni kyagaski. But bateme sana kurigirira inside the assessment books because that is Skyline Yokekoro. It is the book that is offered by the government. Pono inside the assessment book, no muibuli yago checking umwana one na maite kurika 1 to 10. Anyorete 4. Uteba ndoche na maite. Na maite comment sabu. Na anyorete 4. Akonyora abekire tu, ngo mwana itarakora taramanya. Bona abu no abaibuli babona kurigirira inside the assessment book. Liga bago chakobuli mwana amepata ngapi? Ikibono nkeri gotokonya. But inside the assessment book, nabo muibuli awanza kumanyanga umwana uyo gakanyora 3 4 2 2 2 2 igogo ikira bono tutebe chisabu cyo kurusta koretiki kamaiti bono lakini anyore gakorigero linga iga ganyorete 4 mwana nembe yali nataragenda inside the assessment book ebuna biramo bera kongwake komeke track ye performance yo mwana we
ase umutaro umukorto akoranga nigo umuibuli ale gochi school limoigo debanga obakago cha lilimo bwate busena academic day ose obakago cha prize giving visiting day yani limoigo gocha se school kulinde asumswa umtalo yo moya osibistochinga nige eligetinga umuibuli oiko mwalimu ange ngiye kora bego semya abayibuli anemono asuguika obusukubane ko contact obuyamburo byo ko in touch no mworo kyo ye wo mwana ye asikirenga ki erine kone kubwatia chisemi cyumwana eginda asemya abayibuli noko batebinga kero kwa letro mwana school tako ende karanse ayategwa kanirefi na kolire bono mwalimu na abatigeire ekibono nkirigo chikokonyo omwana onege nto muibori ntete ko baseme bakore tigo muibori onya ko make follow ups as much as story outside here struggling corrigiring basic needs cha bana ba education is also part of it. If muibori taliko nyara si anaweza pigia hata mzazi simu mwalimu simu amwambie mwalimu mwana nena kiagenderete ngakiagenderete. That's why tokuru that assessment book umuibuli okora track but yo taliko nyara visit to the school is something that is open. Our gates are open. Umuibuli ogocha tutebono liga bakwenda go disturb umwalimu lesson igakorangiri go bisi nchemba tukero bisi umwalimu no umuibuli bakwane nchentayo trochi na incha ya lesson to attend bono mbaili bagali obisi eri baikaranse umwalimu amute maybe oli otaikerete oli ocha bono amatengo mwana ogwikiraga naga but a visit to the school is important. It's very much important. Bono litwaga ikaranse kale twaganya end term lero binte wendete kobeko kando abayiboli babeke visit to the school anytime batagete. That will be even better. Amoiboli kara atari go chi school now and then. Ere buya kigema inubune skuru na ora tumanyinga skuru ino mubwate boarding ose school yoko Skyline tubwate boarding at the moment but na kote biri mapema muna togo chaka twachaka JSS mwakonde boarding facilities are also underway construction so igo chakira next year we are hoping that ntachitonyora abana bororo na ntutonyare gotware boarding eyo. We are hoping that ababari 6 mbagenda basoena into but yo grade 4 5 6 yo gotaka go join boarding na baba ibori barabe free ko toretera abana abo makonde buya kigima asenje ko berta nga school ino day school ana boy gorero ensia kemokire aboigo amonjuri abeire gakoba arro ase school ane mono chichi academy ndabanye school ino merobere kemo bigete asobo sombi ko ene kinga omwana nkuru arenka oikira nase school kale buya na boy gatari konyora amakongwa mange bune mbrende to tunyingeka ki mo merobere kemo bigete bono Skyline
na bere day school lakini rende tari bana bonse bagocha no kuborogoche school. By the way, majority abana baitu ebakoretu ni chigari chire school. School yetu ntobwate bus, ntobwate ni chigari chi Nisani inye. Bone china chichiko and different routes chalenta abana goike school. Na marago baboigo to make sure na barao barinire bahikire. Na ende mwana ntoliko moikikera mbule gotu. Eto gwakero moibori esimi nchubo yo mwana otwaikire. Osetuka umwana goteba mwabona insari abo bari chikyateka bari se transport tari driver emukyateka naro aikeneri buri umwana mwabononye insari abakomo mume kariburi aikenyombo mwana agende bono we make sure nga we are conversant na weather na bana mbai kibumbura gegotu bana mbai kigubati buno aso totebe gote moiburi gote umwana mutirimbo kirikori eri ntuntori gokora binti etogote anonye neri kori na endo matembura ya bono teri gosori nabo mwana gotirimbo karikori moiburi abugo ikire emoire na maje bono igoto gwa advocate moiburi kero conductor ya wakeire simi nchu angabu boyo mwana binari erabebe
ere buya kigima omoroberio OCBC ni gwenteleti amangana amange norigeti abana bakora emeroberio ende ere isiko ye class totomanyango emeroberio ke mubwata ne mono bwate trips mubwate njira ose mubwata sabana bakora kosaliga ose njira ke moko ene kinga abana baino mwabeire moko ene kinga ngokina bale talinga siseme choka kolende ebintu binde bonchoka nayo
pia mono moralia eskuri yaito ntua tebetenga omaite konyeri tua chagete etua roche ngantori koraenda ku curricular activities omo director gachakarurambia abana baba engage na abandi bagende bono totebe ku curricular activities abana baitongo perform bari muna bono ntua chiete solo of us by the way kagenda mpaka tugatigera ntoigetigo ka state house lakini bono solo of us yaitonja temete gaika abana they perform the modern dance baka perform singing game tugaikasto atigere tunatigete but through that abana they were able kumingo na abande abana banyoreto which school chinde na ende chi trips ngocha tere tu arrange abana bagenda so that unajua to kill boredom as much as toko baira break time eri erule ne serikali terigocha yaba that ngabono na chesiri daisani kirebono tigange ndi kirasi mensome so that's why tokoranga tigatu arrange for these trips abana atale no nkurwa mpaka Kisumu airane gakoira no nyora gake fresh air ngakire nande next time watch by the way kabwate moral bono mna bono grade 1 to 6 mbabange teko end trip bacha bagende mne school ego funguga because ne curriculum bono ige calendar ne fixed in a way ntorate official date ya closing but we are still working on the 2nd August but bona kitoro chenga nande the head teachers meeting that I went they said please work within the managed time for now bono ntora manyanga extension ero but since yeta hiyo we want the teachers bakabe syllabus so that come August abana baende trip banyore bakwembeo akibaye hanebya bakoira na ndonyore mbabwate morale yogosoma nainde we usually try to arrange those trips chagendu most probably holidays kero twasiekirega wiki ayu betara Friday wagenda
ere buya kigima kiwate abanga eskuru ino ne skuru abana bakorunka bacha ase skuru asinga kichiabono tumanyango ase ensemeria yendagera yamugaso abana nga babuta bati kuragera bose mubige temerobeli abana kuragera ne skuru naboiko tumanyange gore yendagera mugaso
abayibori bari skyline nabo confirm nga abana rero munato kali kubuka mambya twaike skuru number 1 tubwate tea break ejuerero ngori yobori ebekire skari twabana tea break egento bakabogori korunka ne snack bakero ba erwero ngori ababa ke bagochaka kwa ukurusa 3:30 paka 4 trocheka kibiri nkogo yabiri bwango banywe aba bande bono riri bakwenda batarenda second break bachaka gusavi gwero ngori banyu then they go for their break twaganya lunch so in lunch time nko offer tole tea break by the way is compulsory twatebete muibori tayo guchikotebanga nche yore tali konyo twatebete compulsory because omwana has to re energize again maitafuta somire chireso no ibere na bokora kicha area rumambi ya erire bono tikabanyore something ekuba stay 9 mpaka lunch time. So we offer them compulsory to all learners including the staff. Next tuacha lunch. Lunch is also offered in school. No ere paka yaba kiri abana bakori nakino ointu abali mutokori including yomo director itokerari school. Lere na bakwenda sabu bukuma ne chingeni ekitwali tutebe munandero. Wednesday no bukuma bakori ne chingeni. Bono kero muntu nabo bwa gusavuragira nabo.
Okay. Ere buya kigima akerwate bana kero muntu akori ke community ndagire nengi community.
Bono ntu atebete ntu arengi ndagire staff kando. Ebe prepared kando. Maitabana liba korange abari mwe ko prepared bakoranga ibwate chinyanya chinyingi ibwata maguta mange. Bono whatever that is prepared it is in conjunction pake staff. Bono lia bana bagusavi kubakorire ndagire yincengo tebanenge because personally nero nkori. Bono maiteki ngokonda chikoni kusavi ku twesi pikitoko endoroto savi ku ndagire ya bana bakori na inchenkori igotoro sha bana mbaro chento bwati any difference we are equal ndagire bakori school nengi ya ende ngwanzere ekogera it is ekopa prepared daily on that day teriko gachungeri atigare chukuri umambi ekoro siguri tukeri eri egwere na ende mambi twebange
right. Mantumwelia on Dizzy TV netwaleta kusanga no morokia omonene we skuru ya Skyline Margaret Mokera oyo tumanyia amange anene mono igoro ya skuru yabo twabere togo kunera ebirasi babwate obera kwanera iguna bako babakorwa chisemi nabakwandira kurwa amabolio owetera asumtandaito o Facebook and Dizzy TV News digital sense media YouTube and Dizzy TV News nabatera asumtandaito www.andizzytv.net namba itasema 0792192834 ase imambi yabono mwantu mweli ya Dizzy TV onye kwabira kwa kigwane skuru ye nabogo to mama boli yabo totebyango inkie koriye tikomanya igoro ye skuru ye na nento bwatomogene ito ase studio imambi yabono abe gago kumanyi nabo botebya onsi alia oligetie kumanya kolende abuno toratiko genda ase omutimoko oromoke kolende ntobe tokuirana nakwendra gosanga nere Margaret Mokira oyore omworoke omonene weskuru ya Skyline tobasa gusuka tobasa ko nyegera.
Dizzy TV Ubwansu Bwomogusi
Kisi Family Medical Center ni nyagatari ya kirero iyo kurobo koreri au iryo koenekeria afinkia nguroba robo koreri buno koringori wa maisona koena nebirore kurigereria maino obokoreri ibwe laboratory mbabwate duka ya mariogo boigongo korabare physiotherapy ngwanchira bare insurance chikobwatia NHIF, Minute, Liason Group, Madson Group, KCB, Area ya Cooperative Bank, Teacher Service Commission, CIC Insurance, National Police Wose Prison, GA Insurance, Resolution Insurance, MTBA, Trident Insurance, Naboigo Star Discovery Insurance. Nigo bago toka samaga cha New Sansoram barabara neste jenene ye Chigari egoroba entangani. Asamanke bakre simi wetrase namba 0758770764. Kisi Family Medical Center, your health our responsibility.
Chimburi chiari endagera katenjira baye ngo toita baguriyo sumoro murato ratata okebi boko ukuruma na mailo motuyo ukuruma kabisa bako senyenta muntu kujikuburi nyokata akwane ngo kwemitandege rimebe ndo mugako uyu tabakora ligwe irata yo kumanya mwana kyoyo olenke yane iye mbura ya ingiri ko wari rigetitira injo niyo ko yagetari mumbu yango igo sembu tuko ya bwa mure tena ari yageto ndangiri nyagete toka mzaba kanyaga we munyi ruba cyane ramo siara go cyari gabaraboba toka so no to kudakoragira nyumba tuwagenda urusana kudakora bikira yini toki imiti y'ibicure bire cyoki ingabikire
Supermarket ya Kisii Mart bono nigo bachakira umurubiryo bwoko ni ebintu ki wholesale buna maguta yo gukarangira kinyeni ubusi bwo kuruga chi diapers ne chi tissue chi sabuni body oils ebinywegwa esukari ebikoroto n'ebintu binde binge naboigo nkoni abalichianga chinyange chi bag chi carpet ebitanda emeito ne chi pillowcase chimesa n'ebirugo office furniture ebintu byo gutumeka jikoni buna cookers, table burners, toaster ovens na microwaves, chi dispenser, cordless kettle, washing machines n'ebintu binde binge no bali mu Kisii opposite Kwanza Place ebare kugenda daraja mbili Kisii Mart Supermarket, the only man saver in town.
Omwana bwembe bagatebya omwana bwenguko ngaye omwana bwembe bakaboli omwana
Chingekero Chomogusi
Nyangweso ni ngenda tingokora
na koire ritime kora nyore ngabi oretera abantu simanya gitinge tuabeta wanjireyo
nanjire
Kerari tukori alamisi enseye monenusu ya maragoba
Echineci ngekero Chomogusi tukuna gukwanira entekenene no kuinyurania igwa aziteyo no boli ore na mukaye oranyora mangana manzu budaya
goika abantu baitu bamanyena n'abagusi bale abantu basomibwe twande chisemi chinyinge lakini mbabwati insoni
buna okwerega obunobukano obukano agatumekire engagi nyani cyane ko yagiye baba yagiye timoni jo magazine beni na igule beni marogoba
maokoro nsara maya patina bagubuleba engencende omuntu ureko bana abantu abangai naenda abanne iga bare ko mwachinga njo n'cyumbu cyo komenya asenga kiriaro nenga kiegochigocha
kila lituko lia aramisi wanzire nsemo nenusu mpaka ase umurobeliyo yokwera
Numwiroroye rituko ria Ijuma chinsa isano ne muche mugaso nasiko gichana
Omukunguzyo mazyo myaka yako manya barubero semo mwana Okunguzyo mazyo myaka yako manya barubero
omwana bwembe bakaboli omwana bwenguko ngaye
Biwa Health Natural Herbs Clinic nenyagitari ya Chirenguma asokorwa obogwenya gotumika amaliogo yemete mbabwate abanyagitari na Dr. Gikonyo abakolingolia na kogwenya amaroire abuna arthritis oboroiro bweskari high blood pressure UTI ulcers asthma hemorrhoids fibroids prostate enlargement na gokwa endurume boigonkwena nabale amaliogo asaba sacha bali achinguru cyabo kiranirense abasubati babwate omuchando bwokorora rangi na boigo oboroire bwelisangwa nayande amange mbabwate chimashini chekerero echichikolingolia amaroire eliokonyora obokoreri bwabo batarerekera litko asorosagirwa borwa Nairobi Kisumu gose Mombasa umerana n'abanyagitari kera litko lya Jumapili ya Sensemeli ya Ikonge asomo bagani o Millennium angenegeta seni kya mabuta ya Pebo kera litko lya Jumatatu ya Sensemeli ya Nyamira asomo bagani o Nyamira angene bengi ya Equity kera litko lya Jumanne imeyomo chobo songo omubagani o Capitol irongo litangani room 117 naboko kwana nabarabo gwetera ase namba yesimi ya 0722 300 630 gose 0788 313 910 Pure Health Natural Herbs Clinic. Your health is our priority.
Gento tikerie kiya sense ye buna komenya buyake bochenu na kiyeko geregeta seni kya Ndizi TV tokoretero muroberio bwo komenya okuya
bwo buiga tutebe abantu abanene boka kusenone muntu ndi bwensi nabako
nonye muntu ndi bwensi nonya erero iga oiso konyora kwanyore head injury nabo konyoranga e problem ya gochire.
Sasa pneumonia ni infection yenye inakuja, si ni infection, ni kitu, ni una breathe in hiyo bacteria, alafu ukitibiwa inaenda inaisha kabisa, so haiwezi kukua transmitted kutoka kwa mzazi ikienda kwa mtoto.
Kira ritko ria ijuma gochaka chinsebere goika chinsebere ne nusu chia mogoroba no semiwa manke igoro yobochenu ubwo mubiro
igoro breast cancer screening inabo umuntu akakire buyekorera every month siku ya 10 after period
obwo bekara bwo gochera turi kunyara gukora mirimo yago na kiga kora togotena wabira umuchando gakarekera bwagochire turi kunyara gukora mirimo dikwango kora
umwana ataraike myaka 5 mutabwati kenda gwekorerere bweka niga gokorerwa so ibintu biri abareri bu mwana bakomukorera karo moke na bibigo shape e future yo mwana yo gojumoto
okomenya okuya kebochenu ritukuri yuma chinsebere chabutuko no moiroroye ritukuri yuma 3 chinsesanu na ibere nenusu chiamugaso na Evelyn Osero
inyora obochenu bwo mubero na bwo obonda bwao
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Muriria Ndizi TV ngokwale nibene ase entunda yende entunda ya gatatu entunda yomwelio ime yomuroberio bwenza kyalituko lya Jumatano ase tokumulekera amangana alengete chisemi ase emambi yabono twabeire togo sanga nere bosotogendrete go sanga nere omworo kya Madama Margaret Mokeira kurwa ase eskuru Joboroso Academy elia ya Skyline batumanya amange igoro yeskuru ya bokuna eskuru ya batiko chaka oikera ase abere oikera na bono chinga kicha bono ase boigo abakwanera amange igoro jobu ya bwe skuru eye yabo kore nabo konda usangana itwe wetera asenchera yomtandao o Facebook Ndizi TV News digital asense media ya YouTube Ndizi TV News na wetera somtandao ito www.ndizitv.net namba ito SMS 0792192834 sangana intwe karengere kiao nabo igo amabolio aliyo bwate nkagal na bera gego tokana kwa beire goko ne skuru nabo igo no bwate mabolio ande bose engana oligetie go komanya otaraba bakoreta omwanogo abe ega konyora kisemi ase skuru eye madam Dabato kwanira amange tutaragenda ase omutimo gokorende asama tukabono koranga chiskuru chabere chiko igorwa chi nyinge bobe mbake chinde tokonya kwebolinga ha skuru echi chonse aboroke babwate boli babwata maigeli ali abwendrete kagera konyoranga skuru yabere ko igorwa no ere rosana ime tomatinga nebwata aboroke balia babwendrete singe njeja tokuba tokoli skuru chine tokoranga twebolia maboli amange naro kunya kwebole skuru ya Skyline haboroke mubwate mbanje ire boli ne serikali buyiga usekyombe tabali mutumanyango igoro ya the competence bose qualification chi aborokia baino
mbe bono morali naende asante abali mu bali Skyline bonsi pia abali munabo tembwate 21 abali mu baita bonsi pia bali certified with TSC kero kwende go certify ya TSC o to maybe into byabo bya ogo chi online bago certify bago tomere gento ke koro kwe TSC number bono go ikira bono iga mwalimu tayombo ate skuru otabwati TSC number all of them mbabwate TSC number kero babwate TSC number komanyekana nga the Teacher Service Commission ba mu approve muna kobo mworoke okoroke chi skuru bono iga bali mu bonsi Skyline they are certified and they have their TSC number with them.
Ere buya kigima asense media ya abakori emeremo nabarabo maite abakori emeremo nabarabo mbabwatense mu bakora ase skuru eli anemono aso go interact nabana anemono balia bare ase ense media ya jikoni tobanyango bali bara sense media jikoni ntobayigende boli nendagira bakorosi.
Asante sana muralia seri swali elio abantu bali bagotoroseri tete batenere to busafi na gotoroseri ndagire chikoni abantu bali nkoenda bali gento gekoro ku medical check up na ende gento kerie gekoba for timely not the year bono muna first term ya erete second term baire tunaende for another check up ega bande government hospital barabutoli koenda private ori keruri ruberi korwo ebako gende government hospital bari gereri gororo bare ngukere gento baeguri rube bairana kero togo chaketa mwe tokonaranga ntubwata marubari certified ne serikali ya public health bono public health kero barusiri barengire batotomera maruba ibatutebi aba bonsi pimbari certified gotoka chikoni baraseria bana chindagira yeko gero maite ntokobeka muntu chikoni gonga benda chikoni ayoruge oike serikali riyego koha ekibali go tuara paka bantabuna bara batuare those letters chiko borokinga lazima na bara be certified ne serikali nga they are good to cook the children's meals in the kitchen health wise they are good bono mbabwate
tumanyango abakoli emeremo bali barase skuru ino njera kiye moko ene kinga ababeire bako ene kinga nko interact bali nabana asenjera ere endonge nabo bukwanerango obochenu ase skuru ino in terms of cleanliness na mangana sanitation.
Skuru ye tonto bwate subordinate staff apart from abakoli abalimu that is abaorokia 20 ntobwate another 24 abakoli gas barabatenere ebusabe birasi barabatenere chikoni mbaro ensemeri yoba chenwe sabana bakwenda gwekonya ntobwate abantu abunaro gutirigereria ali obisi na eresi bigwerabe bono na chiconduct anchiro na barabuchi bako make sure chigali abana bakobugerigu mbuya chire in a good condition bona abantu ababonsi ipi tokobatekero bako totena ba conduct maite ebako bogoria abana mambi nandi babaire ni marogoba bono ririo muntu agoete nao konyora bagotanga brayo which means brayo maybe munako baire garime ni muzuri because umete bana mbago kuchangamukira busa kero kigo ikumanyenga bana bake hakuna siku watakuchangamkia bure lakini ndio muntu agoete bate teacher magi which means whatever I'm doing they are seeing is good bono kero to make sure ngamba bwate relationship wengia n'abakori n'abana at the same time na into bali muntu bwate relationship wengia na barabwa bakori egasi so that yes school we work as a team umaite team is the key tonyora abantu bachikoni batwangete na batogo ikari mbato sabo kuma tonyora bali mumbangita abantu bachikoni kusaba kori egasi bakora bono we try to work as a team in Skyline na inde bono keratogo tuwale meeting eto konye twara muno staff turiko chatate anga meeting ya abantu bakoruga bere yaina abantu bechikali bere yaina abarimu nubono so obisi mukwanero ntutogo twali gento korokunga staff meeting kero everybody is inclusive bono maite kero tubwate in that unity obwa amate bwaitona abantu bonse bali school inclusive abana eboko bobia
Kone ranga mangana yogo cheno boso safi skurino.
Obo safi ntubwate. Abantu abuna gate imbara batenere tobo cheno bwa obo safi bwe birasi. Nande mbara sense masa abana bali bagwe konya chi washroom. Ntumekego. Omuntu naroro na togenda bono igo ororora sense moya washroom. Oko make sure nga abana bamuna bako endo chi disinfectant chi kumwa kumaragoba. Bono mabiki bagocha bakonyora obo safi obumboro mbogendrete na ende thank God ntonya koigunga ikende kiabereire bana in terms of a washroom. Bono hygienically I can say nande after chi washroom immediately into what chi taps. So mwana agokora korwese washroom umira match. Oisibi. Bona match ntobwata match ye serikali, ntobwata match ye gisima. Nembura mune konya gutuga we have several tanks to make sure we have enough water. Abana barabwa sense moya match nago isaba magoko. No mwana orange gwesibira kini ntunto temeta stokonyara
ere buya kigima maite abana nigo batigirete ko babana enda abana kibara abana na bakonyoranga ebintu nebinge bikonyorekana na konyoranga umwana obeire ka gutumira se obera konyora ka imaje aboso umwana obeire ka kurwara akimugoja mwatendi asamangana alirengete emebasukano
mebasukana nero umwana ndi no umwana no mukani bono igatago tuma abogo skake go nando ira nonyoro utumire oseba tumanire no yonde bono ntobwate first aid kit in the office kerikero mwalimu amanyetenga this thing is important in the school bono omwana number 1 kaumire school number 1 itoko moira office first aid kit ya itonero tuatema ko tatebe no nyumiaga no ngora banche te kumie seseme itoko tebe eliso liaro rwa mabira. So number 1 tutabenga we take those gloves abana umuntabeke then yo amanye komo konya ara mutinya manyinga ari maybe aiteka make alafu next to korangeri transport manager otobeke garime twairo mwane nyagitari nero dispensary yange na into ekoroku gesarara na to kominyokio mwana in the process we are calling the parent so that ya to meet your if it is something serious omo ibori bono kero meto mo ibori ikiro nonere umunyagitari amwere sire tutebe gisararabu omute mwana yabwenerete maybe asono the school by the way caters for it twairo umwana negari school paka tutebe KTRH omo ibori oshugurikira no umwana because tari magosa na tari magosa ye school oyo no umwana nande all of us we are inclusive kere gocho mwana so we try as much as we can maintain so that your mwana maybe lose a lot of blood and we go to hospital immediately.
Ere buya kingima mate na kimoja mwaba mukurigiria anna mono ugwikirana kwa bana ase chiskuru matenga tote koranga abana mbara konyoranga gwatamangana absenteeism matari gocha matukonsi ase skuru na boyo korokinga mujare tinga nebwendra tenga mwabo mokone kinga nkogwatere bole ekero mwana tarache skuru inki moko mokora nkogwati ngotema mole mwabwati mama nyangi kirira umwana atacha matukabera tatu
eyuba no togotigera a class teacher a class teacher nere toete a mandate yeyo umwana we no nyatara chama tukabira tatu umuiboli na babwenere umwalimu bono tali muiboli mwito muiboli na baratenje na matangangoje di sabungocha umwana one stayongo mutiga tigagende nere babera totebe mbabo mwabokwa babera no umwana wikingima takumanyanga in the process yo muntu yosira umwana nkomisiara a lot bono togote yo mwalimu umwana kamisiri 1 day 2 day please esimi yeskuru nero genda obisi a receptionist noare akoisimi obori mwari nki umwana achira mote ino yamatanga karare mono tigaira ni umwana eskuru anya konyora maybe amotigiri tukoririe elimo usamorende bakari tukeriye goika saine gachamu iso that umwana tamisi absenteeism yaye tebe nene mono because mate the more risk the more commiss mbu yabona togote yaba class teachers make follow ups umanya umwana unga yare 1 2 na batogote bari kuba munanja abana be class kyane ko batega kimoelyo gacheneryo nonda no moibori as much as indo mwalimu nonda mno moibori moelyo gelyo nabago ikamoya ko ntengo mkwamo amambi moya sasaba abongo moya sasaba nandi muri bekere bagime bona agakubaga ki umwana berenge wiki ngima igotari buya bono togote makominize abana bambabere iskomono through the coordination ya baibori bono mwalimu class teacher that is his responsibility
ere buya kigima umuibuli nare otengera tendizi TV imambi ya bono bera kuigwa mange igoro ya skale ndete ukwane no muibuli inki kigiragerenga umuibuli ate ko ngenda chiskuru chinde are to mwana oye asa skuru ya skale inki kimokora kere etobauti egente kere exceptional.
Number 1, skyline ira se tigantebe our environment. Our environment, by the way, it's school. It is out of town. So mwanare atari konyora distractions a lot. Bono kerotora se environment here cool. No mwana ba konyora batari konyora distractions. That is the best place to be. Number 1. We are in a very cool environment. Number 2, umuntaga teanga torige tore outcasts of Kisii, manyakera more outs of the Kisii more within a village. That village is so peaceful that the doama damaya ya beta to igwete town ilikuwa inambamba sisi we were in school. Nothing up, they even never knew. Maybe bali bachite ko manyamba bali bachite ko endanga bakaumira kuchiparanga chigarincha chiparancha okigomolero. Bono we are in a very good village that story. It is a very conducive environment for learning. Number 2, the teachers we have in Skyline, they are the best. Which I can confirm that. Walimu bana simoli na bakwani jimbi ya moli. Walimu bana, they are doing a good work. Na inde number 2, umaitekero umu director go sustain your school. Tete como salute no nera sare Mr. Director. Tete como salute asari because he is doing everything he can to sustain your value. You know, the longer you are in a school, the better. Because muno soka oyondaso soke oyondaso bono etakoranga that environment is not good for the learners. Now director tries all his best to make sure he has sustained his teachers in school. Bono ntuntori balimu bali bagasomi tamu ina indi tamu indengene ya no tori school. Bono Skyline ni school ekobeka balimu bya abakori gasibiya because babeliro bagendere gokonya abana. Number 4, school fees yetu terimbe moona. We are pocket friendly. We are very much pocket friendly when it comes to our fees. Omonto gotaka fee structure yetu nabonko mo take through nabonko bachuteria tatebe preschool omwana ogoche school preschool ogochaka school bono iga agwakana chiri buko echina chibesa agwakana chiri buko mitochi chetoteba ni nayenga nchengo takomo iburi acho bisiante madam na rentiro omwana ntaetonge ala ematuko abira tatu yani nyakane in installments. I grant that permission without even the director's consent because I know right now Kenya ni mbaya. Sasa wakati anakuja ananielezea and I usually agree. Bono kerogo chonte ichiri bichana iko mingwa kana ibere bono ngaka no mutienyo ibere echichinde chiati gara 6 inch kore abere bono difference ko make grade 1 paka 6 500 aba bono bagwa kana 10500. That is pocket friendly. Lunch, it's just 3,500 per term, not per month, per term.
10,000 is what ever, no mwaka usitam.
A term, 10,000 in a term. kwamanya komenta chiri busato na 500 chia lunch ono go chimenta preschool kwanyora gakori 13,500 oyo ole primary wakana 14,000 because ya ile 500 one chigana tocha tubangane na aye iga 1 2 3 we are on a track because lazima tukoelewe na into lazima to understand
chibese jikwa kwa na chikwabekire ebas imebose
ebas bono maitera optional because and it varies from where you're coming from bono tutebe umuntu kurware pio kuruke umbu ndubwada bana bakuruke umbu abuna bwa kaniri busita transport termly 30 monthly termly so 6,000 is for the whole term bono yo kurwanga pine chiribu awakana chiribu sana
all right ere buya kigimando chinga ebiro bere kumyoka ke gima boigo nabo okubago sanga no muri ondizi TV orari kubanyora bose gusanga naino njira kirabe kubaikira naende nabona ndo kwirorera ngai mugotoka
eskuru ntobwato mu director enamba nkoru entanga nine ya Mr Director you can get him on 0724 273 582 ene namba ya director okonyora tori konyora director kindly ntobwati namba ya eskuru around between 7 am mpaka 5 pm abona abantu baruro obisi na simu yobisi muntu tali kobogori agende nero bono kera twaruro obisi 5 igesime ya alimiri paka naende mambi saa moja namba ya eskuru ere 0717 342 880 0717 342 880 ine namba ya eskuru eyu erobwa kikorubono no akana mbono iga there is somebody to receive the phone no aro bisiaga nyete chisimi chaino bono abayiboli baitomba bwate numbers of their respective class teachers maybe kama taranyora nandara nyore yo bisia sie kirun past 5 na bagwa ke class teacher akanyora it's something atanyare ko handle then they can forward my number to the parent so that they can get to me
okay ere buya kigima mbiamono asoikira na imeandizi TV ase emambi yabono twakwa ni bene te bali tukolio mwali ko no genda ko bagucha mbiamono
asante sana
imeandizi TV mwancho murelia ondizi TV niko twabe tukosanga no mworokia omonene w'eskuru ya Skyline Margaret Mukeira yobe osanga naiti amange anemono igoro yeskuru ya Skyline igoro ijobo koleri bako bakurwa askoli no mwancho mureneze TV kukwira nelimbya mono asukubwaterana na inche kurwa asemambi yarenge entambe asabere to kumurikira amange anemono aliyarengete ayakoregete tikoligo twasose mu ya magazeti nabo igotobero kumurikira amangana le tisemi atoto kusanga bene no mugeni ito ase emambi yabona bokanda tubwatia asomtando ito Facebook Ndizi TV News digital asensebele YouTube Ndizi TV News atara sontilia yomtandao www.ndizitv.net asatonya sinseberongebere na inyama tuko atano nabere je wiki Ndizi TV toko bato komanya twagosemia na boigoko bokya kwitira ase emeroberio jaito letane nkorwa Job Maangi netwa tuko chaka nere Frida kurubo kolende obaga libaga lya bene gusanga no mogeni oito ase ndamwebe Abigail Nyanchama oyo baga kwene kinga chibichechi boigo na mariogi abera oikera asenchera yobo ikera nunabaga neirie lituko ligia ase imeandizi TV nabo obwansu bomogusi ase kone okunyolinga mwancho mu Ndizi TV etkolia lero nemerobelie menge tukoroberetie anemono ase turabe dokumanye amange anemono alendate ase skuru chiria chechi secondary ase omusakito bwamangana majia ndemo Steven arabe gakoletera ekemina no kirabe kwene kigwa ase emambi bosom marokoba yabono ndemo Steven nabe gakumanya igoro chikosori chiabasae echigendrete abose chikosori chiria chiaboro kigwa ve secondary asara vale gakoletera ekemina no egati yeskuru elia sameta na matutupie jikurwa ase skuru yabamura ya Kadino Otunga ase emitandao yaito au mobe mukumanyiwa ase oboime ayabarabe yakogandra ase ekiminano giechikosole nabo igo ekimina giechikosole gechikoba ase school ya Kisii School agoro sarego chesana Kisumu Day asa ibo igo trato kumanya ase amanganaito ama yomonte muri TV nabakana eriyo burigeria obuya imyandeze TV nabwo obwansu umugusi twara ituko ligia.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'umugusi.